Today, I'm going to show you an easy way of getting rid of any hidden wasp nest. First, you're going to need a plastic container with a lid, like this one. Make sure you cut a hole bigger than the wasp hole. You're going to leave some space on the bottom, so the hole is going to be over here. The placement of the hole in the container should match the location of the wasp hole. Then you're going to come at night where the wasps are inside the nest. Going to stick this to the wall using silicone, and you're going to pour a little bit of gas in and close the container. Here are the results.